Hi there, it's Brad here again from T.CON. And in the last videos, we took a look at various different steps that happened during production, and now we've completed a reel. And so we want to look at how we're going to post that and record the various different information. Here again, we're at the dashboard, and we're going to take a look at. It's good to take a look at here at the input reels. So in a previous video, we saw that we were almost out of this material, and this preparation stage was empty. Now they've both been restocked. So for the foil as well as the paper, we have restocked both positions, so now we can book properly the material consumptions. So we'll continue here to production. And in this production tab, you'll see a visualization of the reel we just produced, so the width, as well as various different important information for that production order and what was produced so far. And down below you can see at the moment there is currently 0 meters listed. As this is a demo system, I'm going to have to enter in all this data manually. However, in reality, we would prefer to take as much information as possible through machine interfaces. So that's what we would generally do. So in that case, I'm going to enter in some production quantity. I'll take 1,000 meters. We'll enter that quantity. You can see here it's been listed here as well. And we're going to record some scrap. So in this case, I will click on the scrap. We have the work center, and let's say there was something like 12 meters of scrap. Now I'm going to click save, and as you can see, the system warned me that I haven't entered in all the information that's needed. So for listing scrap, for example, we can make it a requirement that we have to give certain reason codes for why scrap was there in the first place. So let's say it was a quality reason. Let's say there's holes in the initial part of the reel that was produced. So we can record that as well, list it as a code, and that will be saved as information for the system. So we can now save it, and here you can see that scrap quantity is posted as well. You can do the same for defects, so record coordinates of defect information to the system. We can do that either manually, or we can do it via camera system, depending on what you have and what your setup is. Exactly. So now we're going to post the set. And you can see it reduced the 12 meters off that 1,000 produced because that was listed as a defect, and it has been posted to the system. So now we've produced that reel, and we can continue on with the next production step. So in future videos, we'll take a look at additional functionality that we've provided as part of our solutions. Thank you very much for your time.